Baby, I sorry, yet say asem fufro. Etie for abre hosem. Te say asem we atome so ama. Te say kasakra ayeden ama me. Utie me voice mu pa. Me nya kra nka mesu. Abrantie kama. One the family nice. Ne picture eda mu screen so no. Nipa bonefo bi akɔhye ne so wo fie abonetio ekuna yayaya. Etie for womo ekuna yayaya. Ende amene okasei ne yere kra ye bonitrim tio. Wono nso receive treatment. Ne ba baako ne mba no ho omo pictures no ne ba baako nso ono nso sa ya bonitrim tio wono nso receive treatment. Etie for look at this nice family. And this guy nankasa no owo Sugakope, he is the Sugakope South Assembly member. Or your assembly member for Sugakope South. Not to say we share the politics and we share from assembly member now. The people in his area actually like him. Omo pena, you know, people were saying say he had a bright future in politics. Maybe now one day be obeba bedane MP, who knows. Etie for nipa bonifo yi akwa ni nyambra nsem say na the details to the yede koye no eno enama enkrofo buefu na me ne o ka say police fo e wo Sugakope omo aso aye hye papa Abrante ne fe no Marcus Mauto Ajali na etie for the yate ene say enkrofo beye 8 unknown assailants beye 8 ekobura ne fie. Na wo mobori ne fie no se no munyante ye se Abrante no se wakwa akoyi ske free bank no de abeto fie ho se den yo but no munyante ye se Abrante ne discabi aba fie ho na wo mo bae na sika no e wo safe mu na wo mo ye se wo mo ebe yiska no Abrante no so se ne wo gina ne na so tumi hu no se wo ye bema o se se mehwe pa se mudi musika be jane pa ne na nkama sei na oni omo e preso na trese nkrofo no ebonitio omo bonitrimu ne fu ene ne kokoso just 3 bullets wo mo kun just instant we dey omo instant killing omo bonitio omo wie na ne ba ene ne yere mpo de ye bonitio wie ye sanso e de sekan etwa ne shoulders etiefo nye easy na de ama area mufo ho omo boefu and then Womako Saki police for me they no be bro later then Womako Saki police for but the ama area call for no bofu NSA microphone eba no womo ebe mama warning shot omo ye robbery ni we no womo ma warning shot and sana womo ejane akọ. Now even before they broke into Abrante no need them ho womo ekobo ni tio no it took them 45 good minutes because Abrante no osha sa new security doors ni bi na odi ato ne fie na sa new security doors na say wooden door na odi bibi bom na say webu no nti no it took the armed robbers 45 minutes na sa 45 minutes we nia people na mo ben Abrante na ni neighbors free police ni na police for mfie omo and so it took 45 good minutes and nkrofo no e dey break in e ko fie ho. It's no na area for ne ya say within that 45 minutes no mo bu security door ni no 45 good minutes police for na kamo baya na by this time one more assembly member na ko ti ase assembly member pa free police police in fee ama ya bani fie ho ababe kuna ya because no kuni we ya wo mo konso wo mo fi Abrante that town ni mu no eno mo sha say wo mo ma warning shot enti no ahomache ho a na trese area mufo trese wo mo sorry ye na krom ho no police station e wo ho but before police station and answer na obedu police station ho no police barrier bi nso e wo ho na kromufo no e board ompem eko police barrier ho eko saki police for no wo mo barrier ho omoboefu no komo person mo bu police for no kra The police no mo hu se na nkrofo no e di anibre eba no wo mo kra e na edwane ye wo mo wie ye e na wo mo tia so e call police station ho no mo nina akọ on pemgu ho e ma threat ademo ejimi ana e na ye fremwa mama ye kuno e na ye yewe ye fremwa momfa. And you see, you see a branch and anka sanso efre police for no owenfi and the neighbors nso frɛ Emma will be a worker say wo frɛ police but say basa ye no cause wo frɛ police bia police enfi because na etutuo e cause wo mo te say wo mo tututuo ne yere ne ne mba na ikikem ubehu no say yes ya bo mutio but the police weren't minded so mo call police station ho ebufuo komo pe police for no kra bo mo ena area ho empinyufo bi ba ya wo mo be kame eye the youth down a etiefo wo mo kame o mo na chese wo mo ti o mo ho ase because no mo dwaye say police pa mo de mutumi mbo ye ho ban kra ne ye frem a 45 good minutes ne ye frem a you couldn't come ama branch ne wu ya negligence tena me ne o ka say the main Sugakope Accra highway traffic here is see wo hono na easy because a branch and nkro for bufu ye ema wo moko block sa kwan no for over 4 hours nto bia wo two kwan e wo sa kwan no so ende bia ho ne say ende there unusual traffic e wo sa kwan no so na unim de eme ya police force wo mo ahase investigation the meya e wasem we mu no ene say Ghana police and robbery and assassination killing and killings to say na Ghana police. I mean the records I don't even want to go into them and mention. I was reading a post from a Twitter handler your friend crime BB. They talk about crimes. Womokra ekan assembly Emma Womoka say, we share Ghana police cases and now in some police for etumia solve eba ekunkum say will be ekokun will be Ghana police want to mean solve kra ntia no na me personally na me ya e wasem we mu ene na me ya wasem we mu because Ghana police I don't know whether tools no munio the I don't even know. God just no money. I don't even know. But a basa yekumo bi nangrofone jania. Oh, forget. Ghana police can never solve it. And the evidence is there to show. I can mention a lot. But I said they be a mebobodin me cram fed up. They be a mebobo say dina oboni a bo case way, near bo case way, near bo like I'm even fed up. I'm fed up. It is say any ebeya you better know my way. What there at least yes ebia obeka say aban emma mo equipment obi ku obi yes Ghana technology do any minti no yentumi fa fingerprinting hu say we go okay yate ase no na say but say you robbing the pakono for 45 good minutes wo frame wa mo ansa no eno nso why is it that this country timemufo no wo mo ho ehia security agencies ne saa because oko abrochi na sebe aboa bi kra oko abrochi na owo aga na ha se yekun no oko abrochi na owo na trap kra na achi no obo se wo mo nkrofo a wo mo be frɛ ya less than 10 minutes wo be ba be you owo no oko abrochi but we see videos utumi kona anoma bi wakɔhye trap bi mu anoma ni tumi ntu bi ombo se afrɛ na ongofo namba ombo se wo ma dress e de machines aba be yi sa anoma ne keke and then Ghana ha say ye robi obi ebu ni security door 45 good minutes free police for still This is very sad. Just look at his family. Like just look at the man. Very nice guy. TikTok. Like just look at him. Shanemba, Shaneyere. Just look at the family. and then just like that. Imagine say ne ba no ne ba keto apanyin no we hu say yabone papa tuo eku no wo no anenim we hu say yabone mami tuo wo ne trim ono ankasa so yabone tuo wo ne trim. Luckily enough, both of them no, they are in the intensive care units, but ye bon pa say mami no ene akola no omo be surviving. It is akola no surviving bibi say ya. How do you think she will see life? One, the father is not around anymore, and the thing she saw no ebe to me ama for the rest of her life cry no say nipa cry no say tormentor adie me be to me tormenting no she will need psychological help. And aside that, ne yere ne cry because picture me share e wa ha say no and so hwe ne yere no ne fu cry to know say ase na wonyem cry ya sanko di ne sa nyam ransom way. And this thing actually could be avoidable if police for no do hunt him and the police for no answer call no. It could be avoidable. The way people are losing faith and trust in the police system, they really need to do something because yes, police, and we are beginning to see that. And the story be Bremo. A branch be truck driver or the car kobo police ni kuno. Another video so tema police ni be what or taxi driver be car so taxi driver no chin speed e wo kwan so police need to form taxi driver ni kuno. You see, if people don't respect the police, that is how they'll start treating the police. When we say we police no by heart. Into the day and never man for ebu police, things like this. Your friend wa back no mo do ho. Your friend wa back no. Hey, you see how negligence has caused the life of this young man. Asem ne me ya o. Hey man kan na me boa asem ne ya me ya papa. Me ti asem ne me say on my bank creating. And also na me din kan and you say one more years ade no so ye be chi omo ye Ghana ha say we know 8 people and you so more year ye be chi omo ye Ghana ha one more we did o ma ye bebre ekokra no still ye nchi omo ye ko akasi manager still ye kuna several years ago, over 5 6 7 years ago, still ye nchi the manager there. Let me make a story be at me say Embra was young no, that's 20 years ago. And also Ghana Commercial Bank a year manager be branch manager be and also just say what to natare aqua sorry na your coco cool e won the fear ya me ma say up till now wo mo wo coco cool the can still ye nchi omo ye nti ye problem bi a eda ho de dada Ghana ha say a problem be a da. Last 2 years, or say, I think it was last year, early last year, Muhono. Baby, I met say MF Estate, and also say, Mamibia or Ghana Ports and Harbours Authority, and also say Yokokunu will the fee up till now. Bisame say, Womokokunu in the Yachina na. Inti me ane na eme ya se wo mo a wo mokokun no ye nim Ghana eme ya mo ntwe mo adwente for me da ase.